Yo, in this video I'll show you how to get Instagram followers without showing your face. So as you can see, right now I receive a lot of followers and today I'll show you how to do that. So the first step is we open the browser and go to website clickviral.net. And we scroll down and search for buy Instagram followers. So let's click on it. And on the second page, we have to choose how many followers we want to receive. So let's go with 1000 followers. And now we have to enter Instagram username. So let's go back to Instagram app and let's go to our profile. And we can see our username at the top of the screen. So let's type it on the website. Alright, and let's go next. And here we have to enter our email, first name, last name, and let's place the order. Alright, so now I'll pay for this order and see you guys in 10 minutes. And it's working, guys. As you can see, I received over 1000 followers, so it's completely working, and thank you for watching and see you in the next video.